Welcome to the Chromperfect User Training and Support channel. If your Agilent 7890 shows ready in Chromperfect and you start a run but no chromatogram appears, and after 45 to 60 seconds you see an error which says, "Subscribe to data, this guide is for you." This error almost always means the return data ports are blocked by Windows, your firewall, or security software. Follow these steps in order to attempt to resolve this issue. Try running a test sample after each step. A couple of important points we must cover before we proceed. This error is not caused by Chromperfect. Instead, Chromperfect has successfully sent the start signal, but the data is not successfully being returned by the GC. This is not a configuration issue within the Chromperfect software, because you can download a method and start a run. This means the configuration and outward communication is correct and functional. Chromperfect support staff cannot assist with the configuration of your network or resolve this problem directly. If this quick guide does not resolve your problem, the situation must be escalated to your IT or network support team. This guide addresses the port requirement for Agilent 7890 gas chromatographs. The individual ports that need to be open are 9100 and 12300. Additionally, a range of ports needs to be opened between 7990 to 8000. In other words, all 10 ports in this range need to be opened for communication. This port range allows for general Chromperfect software and acquisition functions. Important note: Chromperfect support cannot change your network, firewall, or third-party security settings. Steps that mention ports or firewall rules may require your IT department. Confirm the symptom. Start an acquisition that normally shows a live trace. If the instrument stays ready, no chromatogram draws, and subscribe to data appears after roughly 1 minute, proceed to step 2. Make sure Windows treats your network as private or work. On Windows 11, open Settings, select Network and Internet, click your active connection, then Network Profile, and choose Private. The screen capture shows the setting for Windows 11. It is similar on other Windows systems, but you should check your documentation if you are struggling to find these settings. Another important note about network settings and status is that it is common practice for laboratories to use computers with 2 or more NIC, or network cards. It is very important that you check the NIC card that is responsible for the communications to your instrument. Windows generally always sets second cards to be public networks and will block important communication commands. Retest Chromperfect. If the chromatogram appears, you are done. Allow the 2 required Chromperfect programs through Windows Firewall. These are the Acquisition Client and Acquisition Service. The file names are shown on screen now. Open Windows Security. Choose Firewall and Network Protection. Choose Allow an app through Firewall. Ensure both of these programs are allowed on private and on domain if present. If they are missing, choose Allow another app and browse to your Chromperfect installation folder to add them. Retest Chromperfect. If you still see the error, your data port may be blocked by a stricter firewall policy. You will need the Chromperfect data port number configured for your instrument. If you do not know it, ask IT or check your instrument setup dialog in Chromperfect. Create inbound and outbound rules for that port in Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Retest Chromperfect. Check third-party security software. Security suites like Norton, AVG, or Avast may block ports even when Windows Firewall allows them. Temporarily disable the third-party protection and retest for 2 minutes. If the chromatogram appears, re-enable protection and then add exceptions for the 2 programs we discussed previously: Chromperfect Acquisition Client and Chromperfect Acquisition Service. Also, add for your Chromperfect data port. Your IT team may need to do this. Eliminate adapter conflicts. Systems with both Ethernet and Wi-Fi can misroute return data. If you are cabled, temporarily turn off Wi-Fi and any unused adapters in Settings, Network, and Internet, then retest. If you are on Wi-Fi, disconnect any Ethernet docking station, then retest. Confirm the Chromperfect Acquisition Service is running. Open Services. Look for the Chromperfect Acquisition Service. If it is stopped, start it. If it is running, restart it. Ask IT to verify network policy. If you still see subscribe to data, Your IT department must open the required return data port end-to-end between the PC and instrument and ensure no network devices are blocking it. Retest and tidy up. After IT opens the path, start acquisition again and confirm the chromatogram draws immediately. Re-enable any protections you turned off temporarily. Thank you for watching. For more troubleshooting and training content, subscribe to the channel.